Hi everyone, in today's video I show you how to use head and tail commands on Linux. So first of all, of course, we need to open our terminal, so we will go into apps and now terminal, and I prepared a file that looks like this, but it's that file.txt, so I will show you that. And now we have 20 lines. And what does the commands head and tail basically do? The head command by default shows you the 10 first lines of your file. So if I will write it like this, head file.txt, as you can see, it showed us the first 10 lines of our file. We can of course choose the amount of lines that we want to display by writing something like this. So head minus number, so minus n, and for example 6, and the name of our file. And as you can see, it shows only 6. And of course we can do more than 10. For example, head minus n 14 file.txt, and as you can see, it showed us 14 first lines. As you can guess, tail command will show us the last lines of our file. So tail file.txt will show us last 10 lines of our file. For example, we can of course do it like in before, like with head file. So tail, for example, 2 will show us only two last lines, and tail, for example, 14 will minus of course and 14 will show us 14 last lines of our file. The tail command also have very useful thing, because we can monitor file in the real time. It might be very useful in, for example, logs. I will show you that right now. We basically can write tail minus f and the name of our file, and as you can see, something like this appeared. And now we can open the new tab of our terminal, and we can basically edit our file.txt. How you can edit files? You can go back to the video where I showed that. But basically we use nano command, and as you can see, we have our file and we can edit that. For example, I will write a new line 21. I will save that by Ctrl and O, press enter, and Ctrl and X to exit. And right now, as you can see, the line 21 appears here. Again, I can edit that. For example, I will write test, and I will write again line. Again, I will save that and exit. And as you can see, it appears here. So it is appearing in the real time. Of course, if I will remove that, so I will remove that line, I will remove that test, and I will remove that line 21 that I created. Again, I will save that. As you can see, it disappears. So basically that's how can you use live monitoring by the tail command. Of course, to stop that, we will have to press Ctrl and C. And as you can see, it ended. Right now we can again I can show you how our file looks like. As you can see, it has 20 lines. So that will be all in this video. That's basically how you can use head and tail file on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.